Welcome to Elliot's Fun and Games. Make sure to like, comment, and subscribe to this channel. On today's video, we're going to be using the 6-lane race challenge. Hope you like this video.
Winner! Lane 3!
This is what we're going on. That's what the cars are going to be going down. So do you want to draft our cars now?
Sure, let's each pick 5 cars from our box of cars.
Okay.
All right, you go ahead. You pick your 5 cars.
Okay. I'm going to pick...
All right, so I will pick 5 cars, and then Elliot will explain to you how today's challenge is going to work. So let's see. Let's do I one. Fast cars. Who's this again, Bob?
He is the...
Is this a Star Wars car?
Yeah, he's the ship from Star Wars.
Okay, we'll take him.
I like the Flame Trooper, by the way.
All right, and this is a Star Wars guy, right?
That's Darth Maul, yeah.
Okay, I'll take Darth Maul.
Oh, no, that's Kylo Ren.
Oh,
sorry.
That's Ren?
That's Kylo Ren.
Okay, we'll take him and them. And let's take, oh, this guy's cool. We'll take him.
And 2 more. Oh, I see Stormtrooper you could probably
Where's
use.
Stormtrooper?
It's here.
Oh, excellent. Let's use Stormtrooper. I got a Star Wars theme going on almost.
Yeah.
And Ultron?
Yeah, I think that's
All right.
Ultron.
So there's Daddy's 5 cars right there. Elliot's 5 cars right there. And now Elliot's going to explain to you how the challenge works.
So we are doing the 6-way race. So the cars are gonna 1v1, like this guy, Ultron and BB-8 are gonna go on each side, and then whoever gets down first, it will say who wins, like.
Winner! Lane 2!
And then they're gonna move to the next round.
Okay. So we're going to have 5 races, 5 winners, and then a race of all 5 cars to see who the ultimate champion is.
Yes.
Excellent. All right, you pick your first car to go, and I'll pick my first car to go.
I'm gonna pick this guy first.
I'm going to start with my not Star Wars car, this guy right here. He's going to get lane 6.
And I'm taking lane 1.
Are you ready?
Get on your marks. Get set. Go.
Winner! Lane 1!
Lane 1 wins. That's your car, right?
Yeah, that was mine. We can put him in a separate pot.
My guy's out. He goes back in the bucket.
Now who do you want to
Your
draft?
guy moves on.
You can draft first this time.
Want me to go first?
Sure. You
All
have
right.
all white cars almost.
Yeah, I don't know why that is. We're going to go with Ultron
Okay.
versus... Who are you picking?
Flame Trooper.
Stormtrooper. All
Flame
right.
Trooper.
Okay, here we go. This time I'm taking lane 1.
And I'm taking lane 5 this time.
Okay.
Let's see who wins this one, guys. And I don't know.
Are you ready?
And 3, 2, 1, go. Lane 5.
Lane 5, did you beat me again?
Yeah.
Oh man, Ultron's out of there. And Stormtrooper moves on. Ultron out. Stormtrooper moves on. Okay.
So I'm
Your turn to choose.
pick this guy. What's his name?
That's BB-8, isn't it?
No, it's BB9E.
Oh, BB-9E. Okay, that's the guy from that's the other BB. He looked like BB-8, but he was black in the thing. Okay. And you're going to race him against
I'm choosing
this.
lane 2.
Okay, I'm going to choose lane 3. No, 4. I'm choose lane 4. Wait, will we get ready here? Okay.
3, 2, 1, go.
Lane 2. That was not me
I
again.
think that was me.
You have beat me 3 out of 3 races. All right, put BB9 in the winner. Please, out of there.
And now I'm going to choose this guy for up next.
All right, you're going to have to race him against, who'd you say this was? Kylo Ren?
Yeah.
Okay. And Kylo Ren is getting lane 2.
And I'm going to take lane 6.
Lane 2 versus lane 6.
Can you do it?
Yeah, I got it this time.
3, 2, 1, go.
Winner, lane 2.
Lane 2
Oh,
won that one.
Yay.
You won that one.
So we'll put Kylo Ren in the winner's circle.
Hello. You see him, guys? Oh, we found him.
All right, he goes back in the bucket.
It's the final showdown.
Final showdown. All right, I've got white stormtrooper
And I have got.
going in lane 5.
I can't read his name.
I'm not sure who this is. Let's see what it says. I can't really see it either in this light, but this guy, anyway, he's like a Hot Wheels car truck thing.
I'm gonna go in lane 4.
Oh, lane 4 versus lane 5.
Ready, set, go. Lane 5.
Lane 5, all right, that was me again.
Yep.
Okay,
We've got 3 of my people in.
stormtrooper
2
moves on.
people in.
All right, there are our 5 winners.
So
Right
what do you want
there.
to do now? Like race them all and then?
Yeah, let's race and find out who our fastest champion is. Looks like it might be a Star Wars person because there are 4 out of 5 cars were Star Wars cars.
Yeah.
All right, let's put them in.
BB9, lane 1. BB9, lane 1. Kylo Ren, lane 2. Stormtrooper, lane 3. Flame, this soccer car.
Yep.
Flame Trooper, lane 5.
All right, here we go. Who is the fastest of our champions? Will it be BB9, Kylo Ren, Stormtrooper, random soccer car, or flaming Stormtrooper? Let's find out.
In 3, 2, 1, go.
Winner, lane 3.
Lane 3, White Stormtrooper.
Yeah!
Congratulations.
We have a winner!
We have a winner. Dun, 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 dun.